After completion of the cofactor, now after completion of the minor, now we will come for the definition of the cofactor. Cofactor of an element aij. Okay, the definition of cofactor aij is equals to -1 whole power I plus j. I is indicating for row, j is indicating for column. -1 whole power, either it will be even, either it will be odd. So next, minor mij should be taken. So where mij is minor of aij. Again, aij, cofactor of a is equals to -1 whole power I plus j mij. Now coming to 2 by 2 determinant. Determinant is given 1 2 3 4 elements. It is a 2 by 2 matrix, and determinant we are going to find out. In that we are going to find out the minus and cofactors of each and every elements. Now coming to the first one, m11. M11 is indicating for excepting the first row, excepting the first column, only one element is remained, that is 4. 4 should be taken here. And next, m12, that is 2, excepting the first row and second column, 3 is remained, so m12 is equals to 3. Now coming to the third, for second row, sorry, second row, first column, 3, excepting this second row and first column, only one element will be remained, that is 2. That is m21 is equals to 2. Coming to the last, m22, second row, second column, remaining element is 1. Now minus we found, that came as 4 3 2 1, that is 4 3 2 1. Coming to the cofactors, a11 is equals to -1 whole power 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, and mij, m11 is equals to 4 here. So -1 whole power 2 is nothing but +1, and 1 into 4 is equals to 4. Now coming to the second, a12 is equals to -1 whole power 1 plus 2 is 3 into 3. m12 is equals to 3 is nothing but -1 whole power 3 is -1, and with 3 -3. Same way, a21 -1 whole power 3 m21 is nothing but -2. a22 -1 whole power 4 is nothing but +1, and multiplying with m22 is nothing but 1. It's nothing but 1. Now you come to understand, cofactors are going to be 4 -3 -2 1, and only difference is going to be minus to the cofactors. My alternatively plus minus are going to come. So what is the position of the particular element, that -1 whole power I plus j should be taken. That is the only difference to the minus and to the cofactors. Now coming to the next question, minus and cofactors of a22 and a23 in the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. So a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33. Now coming to the next, we are requiring to find out the cofactor of a22, excepting the second row and excepting the second column, and what are the elements which are remained, a11, a13, a31, a33. So this is your m22, and multiplying these two is nothing but a11, a33 minus a31, a13. Now coming to the second, cofactor of a22, -1 whole power 2 plus 2 with m22, -1 whole power 4 is nothing but +1, and m22 we already found, a11, a33 minus a31, a13. So as it is, we can write the same. Now coming to the next, m23, second row, second row, third column. Excepting second row and third column, A11, A12, A31, A32. So determinant we are going to find out, and cofactor of A23, cofactor of A23 minus 1 whole power 2 plus 3. So minus 1 whole power 2 plus 3 is nothing but minus 1 whole power 5. That will become minus 1, and M23 is going to be A11 into A32 minus A31 into A12. So A31 into A12. Now multiplying these two, so first value will become minus, second value will be plus. So this is the value of cofactor of the A23 element. So understand the difference between both cofactor and the minus.